In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zapier. In order to do that, you first need to log into Zapier and then create the Zap. So you can also enable a new Zap right here. For this one, let's head over and create a new one. Once you have done this, it will open the Zapier editor. For this case, you just need to search for HubSpot on the Trigger app. So click on this trigger and let's search right here for HubSpot. You should be able to find it right here under the app section. And then for this case, you can just choose the kind of operation that you want for this. Now choose right here the trigger event. I'll head over and choose right here this deal property change. And we need to click onto this sign in order to connect our account onto the HubSpot. So just wait for this. It will open right here this new window that allows us to actually add our actual HubSpot onto this case. Just choose right here your account. Click on choose. And then after that, this will load again. Scroll down. Agree to the terms and condition and click on Connect App. Once you have done that, this will connect HubSpot together to the Zapier using our actual OAuth right there. You also need to make sure that you're logged into the HubSpot onto the other tab in order to ensure a smooth process of connection. Once it's done, it should be able to be connected. And you can see the account right here already. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.